Good morning, guys. That's me, Ali, and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro US dollar and the precious metal gold. Guys, once again, the market has traded mostly in line with our forecast. For example, if you take a look at the precious metal gold, it has traded bullish due to safe haven failed in the market. So for now, if we zoom out on the 1 hourly time frame of the precious metal gold, we can see that the gold is trading uh, within the upward regression channel, which is suggesting that the bullish bias is still dominant in the market, and we should expect the buying trend in the precious metal gold. However, at the same time, as you can see on the hourly time frame, the MACD is crossing over on the lower side, and the RSI was testing the overbought zone, which is suggesting that the buyers in the market are exhausted and sellers are likely to enter in the market. Um, we can't say that there's going to be a bearish reversal in the market. However, I can confirm that we can expect a bearish correction in the market below 1744 level. And let's see. Let's try to apply the Fibonacci and let's see how long the Fibonacci retracement is going to be or the correction is going to be. Anyways, as we can see here, the market has formed the sort of a doji candle. The reason why I'm saying doji candle is because it has a long body. Market went higher, prices goes higher, test the 1744 level, while buyers realize that probably they should go for profit taking, or maybe the bulls are getting exhausted here. And the very next candle followed by the doji candle is basically bearish engulfing, which is suggesting that the bearish bias is dominant here, which clearly suggests that the buyers are exhausted and sellers are looming around the corner. So with that being said, as we have applied the Fibonacci retracement here, we can expect gold prices to drop below 1744 level, and um, the very initial level that where we can expect gold prices to drop is 38.2% retracement. And if you observe that this is also the same level which is extended by the upward regression channel. So which means that 1764 is going to be a very solid support for the precious metal gold. Below this, if market manages to violate 1764 level, below this the next target level for gold is likely to be somewhere around 61.8% retracement level, which is around 1757 level. So so in case market manages to break above 1744 level, by the way, guys, if you guys can recall, we spoke about that the market is always going to trade in higher high like ABCD pattern. Like this from this A level to this B level, the B to C level is going to be somewhere around there or there. And as soon as market completes the B level, then we are going to see another A to B level, and that is a first target. First target for D level is likely to be 1780 level. Therefore, we have to keep an eye on B level, which is 1744, because above this market can lead the gold prices towards 1788. So, guys, with that being said, let's take a look at the Euro US dollar analysis. All right, the Euro US dollar is pretty simple, guys. It is exactly trading as per our previous forecast. The only difference is that the market has now started forming the regression channel, which is supporting the Euro US dollar around 1.1303 level. Closing of candles above 1303 level is suggesting that we can expect market to stay bullish above this. But honestly, I think that there is going to be a slight correction in the market, and slight correction can lead the Euro USD prices until 1.13. Anyways, above this, we can expect market to stay bullish until 1.1345 level, which is a double top level, by the way, as you can see here. One top, and then we have a second top. So which is why this is going to be the initial target level for the Euro USD today. In any case, as soon as market breaks above 1.1348 level, the next target for Euro USD is likely to be somewhere around 1.1400 level. Okay, the reason why I am not sure or I am not confirming that we should look for the bullish trades above 1.1303 level is because we had a bearish crossover on the MACD. Therefore, I am expecting that there is a probability that the market may have a bearish correction, and this bearish correction can lead the Euro USD prices towards 1. 1.1280 level, and above this, since we have a 50 pairs exponential moving average here, so this can probably help us capture a buy position somewhere around this level. So let's do this. Let's wait for the market to test the 1.1285 level, and above this we can look for the bullish entries in the Euro USD. In any case, if we experience a bearish crossover below 50 pairs exponential moving average, then the next targets are going to be around 1.1244 and 1.1208 level. So, guys, that's all for now, and thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again tomorrow, and until then, take care of yourself and have a very profitable session.